Hello Aluxers! This video was a long time in the making. We began our crypto journey in 2016 before the first bull run, so we've been around long enough to see the markets change and slowly mature to the point we see them at today. We believe crypto is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to build wealth. As of 2021 and 2022, there are no other asset classes that can generate the type of returns crypto can. So what better way to talk about crypto than to be totally transparent with our own portfolio? There are no affiliate links. This is not financial advice. We're just sharing with you the coins in our wallet. Here are 15 cryptocurrencies we invested in. Welcome to Alux.com, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Number 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of crypto. It's gold 2.0. It's the most advanced store of value humanity has ever created. We believe the fortune of your kids will be measured in Bitcoin. When we launched Bitcoin Essentials last year, the price per coin was under $10,000. Everybody who took the time to invest in themselves has seen incredible returns. We have no plan of selling our Bitcoin anytime soon, and yes, we believe Bitcoin in the next 5 to 10 years will trade in excess of $500,000 per coin. Number 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is the fuel the new internet will run on. For full transparency, over 2/3 of our entire portfolio is locked in cold storage and is made up of Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're fascinated by Web3 and everything that's being built right now, from the metaverse to streaming money to smart contracts, and we can't wait for this new reality. We trust Vitalik's vision for ETH and the ginormous amount of developers building on top of the Ethereum network. Just look at the rise of the NFT space, and the majority of it is traded on ETH. Price-wise, once the gas fee issue is solved, we see no reason why one Ethereum wouldn't trade for between $10,000 to $20,000. Number 3. FTX. For full disclosure, we're also investors in Coinbase, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the US. The same reason we chose to invest in FTX is because of the growth rhythm we've seen for them. The fact that we're the same age as Sam and same as us, they're here to play the long game. It made us bet on him. We've been following his journey since the Alameda days, and there's a good chance that FTX might overtake Binance in the next few years. That's a bet we're making. Important to note, though, is that the first investment was in a store of value, the second was in Layer 1, and the third in an exchange. Number 4. Cardano. Never keep all of your eggs in the same basket, right? We see no reason for two legends to not coexist in this new world that's being built, and Cardano is one of those projects that's gonna have a slow, steady, and consistent growth as the project evolves. We're big fans of Charles Hoskinson, even from his Ethereum days. The way he thinks about the impact crypto can have on the developing world is also aligned with our vision of empowering those starved of access. Number 5. BarnBridge. This is a personal investment made through the crypto fund that we're shareholders in. We personally know the team behind the project, and we've been fascinated by their ability to create financial products. If BarnBridge succeeds, their type of technology could eventually replace Wall Street. Outside of our seed investment in the company, we also hold bond tokens, which we're stacking for a hefty return. And make sure you don't confuse them with bonded finance. BarnBridge is a different company with a price trading around $25. Number 6. Algorand. In our opinion, Algorand has the most academic approach to building their project. Their strategy is slow and steady wins the race. Smart contracts are inevitable. We're so early in the development of these new platforms that we decided to diversify our investment in the top performers. Silvio Micali is an incredibly smart individual, and as with most of these projects, we're also betting on the founder to develop their ecosystems. Number 7. Solana. Solana has been overhyped recently, but nonetheless, we stick to our investment thesis in the strong Layer 1 solutions. We were impressed by how fast projects have been developed on Solana and how quickly they were able to be a valid competitor to Ethereum. The ultra-high number of transactions was our investment's unique selling point, but we can't say we weren't disappointed when the network crashed just a few weeks ago. Still at $140, we think Solana is a great buy long-term. Number 8. SUSHI. Long-term, everything will be decentralized, and the first ones to be disrupted are crypto exchanges. Between Uniswap and SushiSwap, we chose Sushi to bet on. It's the type of DeFi platform that will get people to experiment with decentralized finance, and Sam Friedman's backing didn't hurt either. Number 9. Chainlink. We mentioned store of value, layer 1s, exchanges, decentralized exchanges. We have to have our hand in the oracle pot as well. Oracles are the least sexy of the cryptos, but those who understand that for this new internet to be built, oracles are absolutely necessary, they know the potential these coins have. Oracles allow you to mine data from the real world and use it into the blockchain. For example, the entire insurance industry will require multiple oracles if it wants to be part of the new internet. Chainlink is at the forefront of this technology, and we think it's gonna stay that way for a long time. Number 10. TELLOR. TELLOR is another oracle network. As we mentioned with the link, new smart contracts will require data and information from multiple oracles in order to lower the risk of inaccuracies. We see TELLOR as Link's little brother. While Chainlink is focused on speed, TELLOR is focused on security. TELLOR is also a more decentralized oracle network. These are the two oracles that we've chosen to carry in our portfolio. Number 11. MATIC. Polygon is our favorite Layer 2 solution at the moment. We're keeping a close eye on everything happening on Ethereum since we're so heavily invested in it. Long-term, these Layer 2 solutions will become more efficient and capable if we wish to scale this new internet to the size of its potential. Arbitrum and Optimism are also interesting to us, but we told ourselves to pick only one, so we're betting on MATIC. Number 12. EGLD. The founder of Alux was born in Romania, same as the founder of Algorand. EGLD is one of those projects that hit close to home because we could see exactly how the project is evolving. Our only regret is we didn't buy more in the early days. We personally love their Meyer app and the fact that you can already pay with EGLD at some of the most popular festivals in Eastern Europe. Number 13. Comp. Compound and projects like it are the future of finance and passive income. Think of your savings account at your favorite bank, but with 100 times the interest rate, because there are no middlemen and everything can be locked in smart contracts, financial loans. Lending and interest-bearing accounts are going to be radically disrupted. We love technology and how freeing it is for the average person. Comp and technology like it will become part of your daily life. Number 14. XYZ. Since we told ourselves to limit our portfolio to only 15 coins, Universe XYZ is our moonshot project. It's something the folks from BarnBridge are building on the side. The goal is to replace NFT platforms like OpenSea and Rarible with a decentralized NFT marketplace, so you don't have to pay exorbitant fees associated with trading NFTs. There is a slim shot of success, but if it does happen, it could be a massive win. In the meantime, we're stacking their tokens under governance and we're earning 1% a week interest for our investment. As long as that money keeps hitting our account, we're good with them. Number 15. BNB. The last coin on our list is Binance Coin. Although we're not big fans of Binance, we have to give them props where props is due. CZ has been doing an incredible job. The reason why we've purchased BNB recently is because we're expecting some big news from them in the following weeks. They've been pretty silent when everyone else has been announcing $100 million grants, and we know Binance is sitting on cash. It wouldn't surprise us if they came out with a massive grant of $1 billion or so as soon as this bull run resumes. If that's the case, our Binance coins will outperform our Ethereum holdings. Once it does, we plan on selling them and moving that money into more Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Aluxers, I know you probably have plenty more coins you wish we talked about, so here's your opportunity to pitch in. What 3 coins do you hold that you think are long-term winners? Let us know in the comments. And as for those of you still watching, here's a short bonus. Bitcoin is here to stay. Since only the true Aluxers stick around to watch these videos until the very end, we want to share our honest opinion about the future of this space. A Bitcoin ETF is coming in the United States. The impact this news will have will dramatically close the door for many retail investors. Once that price point moves beyond $100,000 per coin, there's no way you'll be able to get your hands on Bitcoin anymore. Every single institution out there is waiting with their wallets open to get out and secure their share of the 21 million coins. Don't waste any of your time with shitcoins like Doge, Shiba, or whatever else TikTok influencers are shilling. If you're serious about investing investing long-term, do yourself a favor and purchase at least some Bitcoin that you're not going to touch until your children are of legal age. At the very least, it'll pay for their education or housing. If what we think is about to happen does happen, the world we live in will dramatically change from a finance perspective. The US wants to mint a $1 trillion coin. True inflation is coming, followed by the collapse of the US dollar. Money as you know it no longer exists. The only option is to move out of the financial markets into store of value. Buy Bitcoin, real estate, gold, or art. Whatever you do, stop holding on to cash. 20 years from now, every single one of you will laugh and everyone will think you're a genius. Save yourselves and the future of those you love, Aluxers. We'll do our best to be at your side so we can navigate what's coming together. Thank you for being subscribers and keeping this channel alive. If you're ready for the next phase of humanity, please write "next" in the comment section. That way we can tell who the true Aluxers are apart from the tourists.